afternoon to all. The authority vested on you by our school division superintendent. We now install Lord Senyo as the principal of Bungan Elementary School, Quezon District. Therefore, you have to learn, to love, understand, respect the rights of our teachers.
Thank you very much, Sensarai. Welcome, Ma'am Senyo. We shall now have the turn over of the key of responsibility by our outgoing principal, Mr. Ernesto A. Cario.
Our district supervisor, Mr. Ibrahim Desal, the heads of the schools, teachers, parents, and mga barangay officials, and pupils, good afternoon. I'm now turning over this key of responsibility to the incoming principal of Tugunan Elementary School, Lord Senyo, and this key of responsibility are the following. We will 18 buildings with 74 classrooms, 24 toilets, 86 beautiful and handsome teachers, with more than 3,800 pupils. We have here equipment like laptops, Xerox machine, computer, of course, and other instructional material.
As the new school principal of Tugungan Elementary School, I am accepting everything that you have turned over. Rest assured, sir, that I will going to do my duties and responsibilities to take care of them and continue the legacies that we have started, that is to guide every teacher to make every learner in this institution functionally literate.
Acknowledge the presence